So Snapchat has just released their My AI feature as a universal feature on everyone's account. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can get it and talk to My AI. As you can see, I have My AI right here. So first, what you want to do is go over and actually go into your app store. And then in the search bar, you want to type in Snapchat. And then basically what you're looking for is to update your Snapchat account. If it says update right here, then what you want to do is obviously update it. But in my case, it says open, which means it's fully updated. So we're just going to go ahead and click on open. And then if you scroll over to your chats, you can see My AI should just automatically pop up somewhere in your chats, just like Team Snapchat. As you can see, if we scroll down, and basically we're going to find Team Snapchat in our chat section right over here. So in my case, My AI is actually on the very top, and basically you just click on it, and then you can ask it whatever you want. For example, who is the richest YouTuber? And it's basically going to generate a response within like a matter of seconds. And in my opinion, it's actually better than ChatGPT. So you can go ahead and try it out.